Hello students, how are you all? Hope that all are doing well. Today onwards we are going to start our online classes of 5th standard GK. Are you ready for the class? Yes. Up to 22, page number 22 we have completed already. Today we will start with page number 23 and we will complete 3 lessons 23, 24, 25. Did you complete your holiday homeworks? Yes. Those who are not completed, please do it fast. So let us start the class. Hello my dear students. Today we are going to start with a new lesson. Around the world. Page number 23. Here you can see some interesting world sight, some important places and buildings also, constructions also you can see in this lesson. And look at the picture and read the descriptions given in the book. And answers are given in the bracket. You identify the picture with the answers. So let us start the class. First one, an ancient temple in Athens. It is dedicated to the Greek goddess Athena. It is built on an acropolis, which means a steep hill. It is an ancient temple located in Athens, Greece. It is dedicated for goddess Athena. It is built in a steep hill. What is the answer? Parthenon. What is that? Parthenon. And question number 2. It is located in Istanbul, Turkey. It was the first church and later turned into a mosque, and now it's a museum. In the initial stage, it was a church, and after that it was a mosque turned into a mosque. Now it is a museum. What is that? Hagia Sophia. Then 3. A suspension bridge in San Francisco. It is orange in color and connects the northern tip of the San Francisco Peninsula to Marin County. Third one, it's a bridge. It is located in San Francisco, California. What is the color of this? It is orange in color and it connects with San Francisco to Marin County. What is the name of that bridge? Golden Gate Bridge. Then 4. It is located in Yangon. And this structure is fully gold plated with a stupa containing over 700 diamonds, rubies, topaz and sapphires. It is decorated with diamonds and other valuable things. It is located in Yangon, Myanmar. And this structure is fully plated with gold. Answer is Shwedagon Pagoda. Then question number 5. It is the largest square in London and often called the heart of the city. It is named after a famous battle and the focal point of the square is Nelson Column. Answer is Trafalgar Square. It is the square in London and often called the heart of the city. It is named after a famous battle. What is that? Trafalgar Square. Okay. Answers are given in the box. If you have any doubt about any spelling, you can see here and you can verify with your answers. Okay. So here we are moving to the next page. Page number 24. Here some clues are here. Please read the clues carefully and write the answers. Some words are given here, but it is not in the order. You please write in order and find out the word. It's the name of some fish. So, first question. A freshwater fish and the most commonly kept in aquarium fish. Answer is goldfish. And second, the names of this fish sound like a 7-color band seen in the sky during the rain. The name of this fish sound like a 7-color band seen in the sky during the rain. Answer is rainbow trout. Third number, a large unattractive oily fish found in Central Asia. Big head, silver, grass and black are all varieties of this fish. It is not at all attractive. Unattractive oily fish. Answer is carp. Question number 4. This fish gets its name from the red appearance of its skin and scales along with red eyes. Answer is red snapper. It gets its name from the red appearance. It is red snapper. Then fifth number, large and heavy fish which is most consumed fish species by human. Consumed fish species by human. We are using this fish for food, making food. What is that? Answer is tuna. Large and heavy fish which is most consumed fish. Answer is tuna. Then it has a large round body with a big mouth and sharp fang-like teeth. It is called a black devil. It has a large round body with a big mouth. It is called the black devil. Answer is anglerfish. Then question number 7. This fish is widely hunted for its meat and oil. We are using this fish for meat and oil. Answer is cod. Next question. Due to the silver color of their body, they are called the silver sea. Because of the color. Because of the silver color of the body of this fish, we will call silver sea. What is the answer? Herring. Then question number 7. Question number 9. It is a friendly fish kept in an aquarium. Its name sounds like the annual movie awards. What is that? Oscar fish. Did you hear the name? Oscar awards. Yes. Then 10. It looks like a rock and has a brown or grey skin with red. And it is very poisonous and is found in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It looks like a rock. So, this fish is called stonefish. Then 11. This fish swims gracefully by flapping its bat-like wings. It has a strong set of teeth. And if one tooth breaks out, a new one replaces it. Answer is battery. This fish swims gracefully by slapping its bat-like wings. And it has a strong set of teeth. If one tooth breaks out, a new one replaces it. Answer is battery. Then 12. It is a small fish commonly seen in an aquarium. Its name sounds like a messenger of God. Messenger of God. It is a small fish. Commonly you can see in aquariums. Answer is angelfish. Okay. And next page number 25. You can see some pictures of some fish. Some pictures are here, and see the picture of these beautiful fish. Dive into the word grid and find out their names. Already we had completed the names in page number 24. One word grid is here. Please see the word grid and find out the names of this fish. In page number 24 already we had completed the names of the fish. According to the number, please see the letters and make it a word. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you, children.